There are two links below in the video. One is a relationship awareness assessment. It's a true-false test. Take it. It'll tell you if you got all these toxic symptoms. And then there's a link below where you can register for the free webinar on May 18th. Today's video, I'm going to talk about symptom number 3 of 20 symptoms of a toxic culture. Symptom number 3 is sarcasm. Is sarcasm allowed in your culture? Sarcasm is an underhanded way of telling somebody something that you're really not willing to say to them in an upfront, open, honest manner. Sarcasm is very, very toxic. What sarcasm is, it's a person who is making a judgment about something, and the judgment could be right, but they're making a judgment, and then they're allowing that judgment to get poisoned by some negative emotions. It could be anger, disappointment, or other negative emotions, and they're not expressing themselves rightly or assertively in a loving, upfront, open, honest manner. Unexpressed anger or disappointment will drip out in sarcasm, but this sarcasm hurts people. Sarcasm cuts people emotionally. If you spend a day with a sarcastic person, you're going to be drained. And sarcasm in a culture is not good for the system. Make it run kind of like this, like a ship in the water. So if you have a culture that has a lot of sarcasm in it, you'll want to definitely come to the webinar. The link's below, and we'll talk about how to fix these toxic things in your culture. Hey, thank you, and God bless.